There's someone that went to the Mizgad, which is of the Muslims, and ripped the Quran. Okay, am I part of that group? No, I'm not part of that group. I'm not necessarily a fan of the Quran, but I wouldn't rip the Quran, not in public or in private. I could rip on it, meaning I could tell you that it's a mistake. It's completely full of nonsense. It's full of lies. It's a horrible belief system that leads to terrorism and aggression, as I've quoted places in the Quran that specifically tell people that they should be terrorists and liars and horrible people. But to go rip it won't do me any good. It's just simply going to waste time and not necessarily going to be anything that is going to help anybody on either side.